Alright, we're just coming into Nokaneng, 108 k's in from Sehitwa. Saw an airstrip sign, which of course we're curling our way up the western edge of the delta. Mine is the sort of southwest corner, I guess, and where I'm going to end up in Shakawe would be the northwest part of it. So Nokaneng, what did we say? It's I'm almost maybe halfway up now to, what did that sign say, 180 to Shakawe, and I've done 200 already. So I'm over halfway to Shakawe because it was 100 to Sehitwa, and I've done 109 now already. So welcome to Nokaneng. Let me give you a little side view. I've tightened up these bolts so they're behaving much better. Sign coming up, Gumare 37. So that'll put us on 146 k's. It'll tour through Nokaneng. Hope that's getting the sun. Nice pick of the sun there. 3 cheers for my swivel system. Could be one of the, I don't know, when I do my prize giving at the end of the trip, I think this swivel system stalk microphone on the GoPro might take the day as the outright favorite best thing that I got to sort it out. Alright, looks like we're moving out of Nokaneng. So that's 111 k's and road's still fine.